What's up guys, Bobby Lewis, product trainer here at Allmoxy. Today we're going to be going from cabinet vision into an Allmoxy master custom instance, and we're going to show you how. So very first you're going to download the PKG file that we have attached here to the article. You're going to go ahead and download that to your system. You're going to click on open up cabinet vision here and click on utilities. Go to setup package. Open the file that we sent you. You're going to notice that there's a catalog, a report, and user created standards, and every one of those are necessary to make this work. Click between creation and import modes and then hit the handshake. Go ahead to your cabinet vision and hit update database. You need to run an update version for that particular cabinet vision. After you've closed out, hit update, and then you'll be ready to use your files. So I want to explain now how this thing works. If you go and just hit create new inside of cabinet vision, start a new job, and hit OK. We're going to go ahead and just add something from the Allmoxy master custom catalog here. Let's do something simple, base 1 drawer 1 rollout. What it's going to do is going to be using a report to gather and send all the information. The user created standards have been designed to be able to add some of the data that the report is then going to look for. But if you click on Report Center, you can see that there is this Allmoxy Master Custom Report. What it is doing is sending the information to Allmoxy in the format and the linear setup of its product attributes. So if we go and open Allmoxy here, if I look at if we navigate to a product, open up a specific product, base 1 drawer 1 rollout, what it's doing is gathering the information in the order of product name, comma, construction method, comma, door type, comma, drawer front type, comma, so on and so forth. Now you'll notice that even if the attributes are hidden, they're still there. And the reason being is because cabinet vision is going to send the data for those particular items. Even though they might be hidden, they're still going to be sending the information all the way through. So they need to be in the exact order, and they need to be the same across all your product sets. Otherwise, it's not going to send the information in the proper order. So if we go back to cabinet vision and look at this report, only some of the fields are displaying here, but it is actually looking for all of the data and all of the information inside of the report. So if we go look at and design the report, and we look at the specific fields and the ordering that those are, you could do that. So say for an instance that someone wants to use this outside of this normal exact custom template, you could still do that. So if I open the report here to click on design report, and I want to open the tables, you can see that those are in the exact order of the product attributes. So that's the way that it's thinking in terms of product attributes. The other thing you're going to need to do in order to get these to work properly is line up the names exactly. So your product name, this is going to be the description of the cabinet. Construction method, this is your construction type. That's going to be the construction type over inside of Allmoxy. So the names there have to match the product attribute name over in Allmoxy in order for it to grab the field. So for example, front material and finish. Your material or your finished material over in cabinet vision is going to be the same thing as the drop down of your product attribute over in Allmoxy in order for that to work. Once you've done that and those fields are lined up, you're ready to start exporting. Alright, in this step we're going to actually take and use the report now. If you click on Report Center You'll see the Allmoxy Master Custom Report here. Now recognize that this report is gathering a lot of data and takes a decent amount of time. The bigger the job, it doesn't really affect it dramatically, but there is an effect in terms of speed. So you'll want to wait for that report to generate. Once it's generated, then we're going to go ahead and export. We're going to go ahead and export that information via export report. And once we get to the export report page, it's going to ask you where to save that on your computer. There's one small change that you have to make. Click Options and to ANSI. Hit OK and hit Start. Ask you where to save that. We'll just go ahead and put it on our desktop here. Then once we open up an order page, you click on View and Import Order. Select the file that we had chosen, or wherever you had sent it to on your desktop, and hit Next. And you can see that it's gone and filled out all the orders, dependent on just making sure that your product attributes line up. So the names of these drop downs have to be the exact same names as the items inside of Cabinet Vision. With that being said, you're now able to export from Cabinet Vision, import to an Allmoxy order, and save a dramatic amount of time.